Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you this summary table here of the latest order made. So it's basically the last entry on the data sheet. So when you check the data, it's the last entry for orange, for apple, and for banana. So that's it. That's the summary here, the summary table here. And of course, we're going to do that inside the Power Query. And of course, we're going to use a different worksheet for that. So let's go to this, to our data, load it in a Power Query, go to Data tab from Table Range, and OK. And that's it. Now let's transform this data, group by, and then I'm going to group this by product. And let's say that's the ref table. So we're creating a table here per product. And I'm going to choose all rows for that, and then OK. And then we have this table here. For product, let's sort the product ascending order, and then you have this table for apple, and then the next thing is to get the last entry for the apple, which is order 28 here. And then for banana, that's order 25, and for orange, that's order 30. So I'm gonna add column for that. So add column and custom column, and we're gonna use the formula Table.LastN, as in last entry, as in, and then I'm going to use the ref table, comma, I'm going to choose 1, which is the last entry. If you put 2 for that, that means the last 2 entries in your table. So we're going to put 1 instead of the 2. And close parenthesis, and then OK. So there you have it. That's our table here for apple, last entry for apple, last entry for banana, and last entry for orange. And I'm going to choose this custom column here, choose that, and then right click, and I'm going to choose remove other columns, and that's it. I'm going to expand this table here and uncheck this use original column name as prefix, so that the column names will be retained, and that's it. That's our report here. So it's ready to be loaded. I'm going to go to the home tab, close and load to, and I'm going to use existing worksheet and just put it here, and OK. And that's it. That's our report here. So let's check it. If we have additional entry, order 31 for apple, let's say it's 20 quantity, and then order 32, let's say it's a new product, it's mango, and it's 15. And then I'm gonna go to the summary table, right click that and refresh, and there you have it. There is the update for the apple and also for mango. That's it. I'm finished or I'm done. If you like this video, you can subscribe in my channel, click the subscribe button, and see you next time, and thanks.